Hello everyone, is your lady JJ. I'll be so fast with this topic because I have to take my kids out. It's summertime. What do you think? I really want to go and enjoy ourselves. So I'll be very fast about it. Come on, mothers, women, we should be submissive. Submission does not make you a slave. We should be submissive to our partner, to our marriage, to our relationship. It's very important. It's very important. Come on, we are the neck of of our marriage. We are the helper to our relationship. We are the helper to our husbands. We are the foundation of our marriage. So we are the one to make it work. Being submissive does not make you a slave. Being submissive does not reduce you to nothing, but regard you as that special woman. We should not forget that we are African women. We should not forget our parents. I know. We should not forget our mothers also stay and be submissive to our fathers. They said charity begins at home. Come, make una not tell me say because I go dey mix am with PJ. Make una not tell me say now because say una can't come Europe. Now I make things can't change. Come on, these people now so their life just be for year. May we not forget say we be African woman. May we not forget our roots. I don't see many things for this journey where be say our mothers, our women, they reduce our men to nothing. If cold, they small quarrel, they don't push them outside, they don't lock them outside. It's not good. You cannot do that at home. I tell you something, the result na house, eh? The result na house. So you just the enjoy am for year. The result na house. You understand? Except saying that yeah, now you want deal. Yeah, everybody like to be here, but the result in the house. Which story you want to tell your children? I don't know. For me, I don't know which story you want to tell your children. You understand what I'm trying to say? Small quarrel, you don't call police. Okay, a man is helping you with the domestic work, like washing the plates, cleaning the house, helping you, washing the clothes, and you want to take advantage. That is not his duty. It's your duty as a woman. I'm sorry, I'm telling you the real truth. It's your duty. They are just helping out in that house choice. So don't take advantage of that. Don't let them don't give it to them that is their work. No, that is not their duty. Their duty is for them to be home. Their duty is for them to is for them to provide and it's for them to be there for us. It's for them to protect us. You know what I mean? So we African women we come Europe now, they can't reduce our men to nothing. They talk to them anyhow. They talk to them anyhow. Many while they see they go get husband for house self, they go even get relationship for outside. They go get belle for their husband. Another man self go there with them. They on top of them. They on top of them. Come on, I beg now. I beg more pity for the pikin now. It's not good. Submission, it does not make you a slave. Okay, doing that come mean say you be boss. Why you they take the position as a man? When I will say, okay, men, why it can't be say men get right to the follow different women? Why it be say women will not come fit follow different? That is why you are a woman. Leave them. See, men is their nature. Now their nature be that one. They have the right to marry as many as they want. This is right from the beginning of the creature. They have it. God is in support of that for the men. But you as a woman, you cannot, because of say your man they cheat or your man they do this one, you go get extra affair outside. It's not possible. Okay, if your man talk one, you go don't talk 100. I know say we women, our body they bite us and with the sabi they over they react. But make I tell you the weakest and the fastest way to make your man keep quiet and forget the whole issue. Now for you to keep quiet when they talk. If they talk, they verse. You see, say you know they reply. That is how to know a great woman. You go come say, okay. Then you go apologize. There's time to apologize. No embarrass this man. Make we know they embarrass our men. Make we know the okay because say we come Europe now, we can't get this now. This place now, Oman country. They give us everything what we want. They reduce the men for year. Even their own men said that they reduce them. We can't forget where we for come from as an African woman. We can't forget the education where our parents give us as an African woman. We know they respect our men again. We know they fit give them food in a respectful way. I not tell you say make you lead down serve am, but at least if you give am food, you put water. Even sometimes if I dey forget to put water for my husband, but immediately I just look where they eat, I go run, go take water, go put am, I go give am. If my man dey around safe, I know they fit eat alone. I make sure say we eat together. If he come, we eat together. If he dey around, we must eat together. You understand? So showing love, showing respect. Let me tell you something. The word of God said, women respect your husband and men love your wife. Sorry, women respect your husband, men love your wife. Let me tell you, the interpretation of love to our men is respect. That is what they understand. They don't understand the way we express our love. The way they understand love is to respect them. That is all they need. Is it too big for us to give them? Is it too big for us to give them? Just respect. It's a vice versa thing. When you respect the man, they will love you. The man is not stupid. He go love you by force. Not be by force, as he go love you willingly. So more will just show them respect. Many things they go on for this Europe where be say it not good. Okay, I can't dey hear some news. They talk, they say if man no pay your bride price, he no get right over you. Come make I tell you something. Except say you no deal with that man. For where me I come from, if man no pay your bride price, except say you no deal the man house, they born, na him no be abomination. I don't know. You understand? I no be abomination. I don't know what they call am for Benin. I no grow for Benin. You understand me? I be Lagos based, so I no sabi speak Benin. So I don't know what they call am. Na the no be abomination. That means you don't come off under the man. But if you did this man house, you dey born, and you dey say this man are your husband, this man are the father of your children, are your husband, and you dey una dey together, make I tell you something, na abomination. Now, abomination because you are not alone. You are into that relationship. Some people go say, you never pay my bride price. I feel get extra relationship. I feel follow me. You are killing your future. You are killing your destiny. And you go use your head carrier because it no go affect your children. Thank God say the devil reverse the things. For the family where me I come from. Before, if you put leg for outside, you flex for your man house, for your marriage, for your relationship, where be say you don't dey born, you dey inside. It go dey affect the man and his children. But now they don't come together and they don't change them now. Now your head you take carry them. If you do it now, only you and I go the thing go dey affect. I mean, I like her like that. You understand? So if you know say you don't tire for that marriage, you don't tire for that, it better maybe say may you tell the man, may they return the bride price, or may you quick. If they never pay your bride price, may you just come out. May you know say yes, you know they with this man again. That may you dey inside the relationship, you deflect. It dey kill and it dey kill fast. And law of karma, it cannot be even the tradition, it go kill you fast. You understand? May God, may we be there for to train our children and see our children. Amen. You understand? So, wait, be say, okay, the one way they pay me inside, though, the one way they pay me inside, be say, our women now don't turn men for Europe. Now they take the decision. Now they talk what it go be. Because of waiting now, because say, okay, if you go office for year, if you go any place for year, now you they give listening ear to. Okay, you and your man get fight now. Now you mark this man body because the man no want touch you. Make it not be say they will say na domestic violence. If police can't come now, the man go they try to explain to police, say he no touch him, he no touch him. The police they not go listen to the man. Now you as a woman, where you they cry, they use leg and head, they knack. Now you don't go listen to. Because of that one, I make us can't take advantage. Because of that one, I make us know they respect ourselves. I make us know they respect our man. I make us know they submit to our men. Because they not get upper hand for Europe. Why we forget as they take train us? I bet they not train you well. Because for me, they train me well. I not believe they not train you well. Now you just can't change. Because not be so African parents they train pikin. African parents they train children in a way, in an African way. You understand me? So now be the matter, Now just be the matter. One I won't try to put across. Now just the matter. One I won't tell you. We mothers, we should be submissive to our partner. We should be submissive to our husband. We should respect them. That is the language they understand. Respect. That is the interpretation of love. to men, to our husbands. I remain your lady JJ. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Story of Motherhood, Mother's Love. Follow me on Instagram, Motherhood206, and like my like my page, my face. You feel like my you feel like my face. Like my page on Facebook, Mother's Love, and follow. Thank you so much. I remain your lady JJ. Ciao. Love you.